Tired of scrolling through international listings when you only want items shipped from within the US? Here's how to filter eBay to show US-only results instantly. I've been there myself. You find the perfect deal, you get excited, and then you realize it's shipping from somewhere halfway across the world. The shipping cost alone makes it not worth it, and the delivery time is weeks away. There's a much better way to handle this, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. So here's the plan. We're going to use eBay's advanced search to set the item location to US only. You just follow these simple steps and you'll never waste time on international listings again. All right, let's start. Open up your browser and head over to eBay. Just type in ebay.com in the address bar and hit enter. This is where everything begins, so make sure you're on the main eBay site and not a mobile app or a third-party page. Now, go ahead and enter whatever you're looking for in the search bar. Maybe it's a vintage camera, a specific pair of shoes, or some electronics. Type it in like you normally would. Don't worry about filtering yet. We're just getting the search started. And here's the key step. Look to the right of the search bar, and you'll see a link that says Advanced. Click on that. This is where eBay hides all the really useful filtering options that most people never even know exist. I've spent a lot of time digging through eBay's features, and honestly, this advanced search page is one of the most underrated tools on the entire site. Once the advanced search page loads, you're going to need to scroll down a bit. Keep going past the basic options like price range and condition. You're looking for a section called Item Location. It's usually about halfway down the page, and it's pretty straightforward when you find it. So now that you've found the Item Location section, here's the important part. There's a drop-down menu there, and by default, it's probably set to Worldwide or something similar. Click on that drop-down and select US Only. That's it. That single click is going to change everything about your search results. No more sifting through listings from other countries, no more checking shipping details on every single item. Now, just click the search button at the bottom of the page. eBay will reload with your results, and this time, every single item you see is located within the United States. Take a moment to check the results. You'll notice the shipping times are much more reasonable. The prices make more sense, and you're not constantly wondering if something is actually going to arrive. And you're done. That's literally all there is to it. From now on, you can use this trick every single time you search on eBay. It saves so much frustration, especially if you're buying something time-sensitive or you just don't want to deal with international shipping costs. Hopefully, this saves you some time and headache the next time you're shopping on eBay. Give it a try on your next search, and you'll see just how much cleaner and more useful your results become. Happy shopping!